Did you know with MTN MoMo, you can actually buy stocks and shares using the normal *17 hash? I bet you didn't know that. So stay tuned, subscribe, and then follow this page. And I'll be teaching you guys how to do that in the subsequent videos. To trade or buy stocks with MTN MoMo, this is what you have to do. So you dial *170 hash. You tap on 5 for finance, and then you tap on 6 for trade shares. Then you enter your Momo pin. Okay, so if you are met with this screen, then it means you are not registered, you don't have any CSD, and then MTN will work with you to create one. If you are met with this trade live screen, then it means you already have your CSD and then you are registered on any eligible platform with your phone number. In the trade live menu, your first option is the view shareholdings. The view shareholdings simply just shows you a list of every single share that you are currently owning in your portfolio. And to access this, you just tap on 1. To buy shares on your trade live menu, just as you can see, 2 says buy shares. Tap on 2 and it gives you an option of stocks that you can actually buy from. To sell some of your stocks and then make some money, you tap on 3. That is the sell shares. That actually gives you a list of shares you can actually sell. So you just choose from there and then you make your sales. To view or cancel orders, that is your orders that you've actually ordered for, right? Now you tap on 4 and it gives you a list of every single share that you actually made order for. And in that menu, you can decide to view the status of your purchase or cancel that purchase. 5 is view history. When you tap on 5, it gives you access to your purchase and then your sales history. Purchase history actually gives you a list of every single share you have ever bought. And then with the sales history, it gives you a list of every single share that you've ever sold. Frequently asked questions, FAQs, sometimes your questions has already been answered and then it's in a PDF. So if you tap on 6, it actually gives you access to that PDF. And then you can actually read and then answer some of the questions that you have in mind. But if your question is not being answered there, that is when you reach out to them. So this is your trade life menu. It gives you access to a whole new world of possibilities. 1, you can view shares, you can buy, you can sell, you can view and cancel order, you can view your history, and then your FAQs. So this is the trade life menu on MTN MoMo. So to view your shareholdings, you just tap on 1, and then it gives you a list of every single shares that you currently own. On the trade life menu, to buy shares, you tap on 2, and as you can see, that gives you a list to buy from. To sell shares on this menu, you just tap on 3, just as it says sell shares, and as you can see, that gives you the list of the shares you are holding, and you can sell from there. To view or cancel orders, you just tap on 4, and that is actually going to give you a list of shares that you have in queue to purchase. To view your trade life history, tap on 5, and it gives you 2 options, purchases and sales. Just as the name suggests, the purchases are the ones that you've bought, and then sales are the ones that you've sold. So let's just tap on 1 for purchase, and as you can see, I've actually sold 2 of Cowbanks. Let's do 2 for sales. And as you can see, that actually gives you a list of the shares that you've sold. And then 6 for FAQs. FAQs simply stands for frequently asked questions. So let's just tap on 6 for FAQs. And as you can see, it says, I'll be sent a link to access the frequently asked questions.